My name is Chef Michael. I'm the head chef here at the Healthy Food Studio in the Discovery Building. So tonight we're hosting Food for Friends. It's one of our many programs that we operate during the course of the week. All the ingredients or the recipes that the guests are working on tonight basically will be enough to feed each and entire guest as well. So basically one recipe will be enough to feed everybody else in the studio.
Yeah, it's just great to meet all our readers and some of the clients, and it's just such a relaxed atmosphere to have around the cooking classes, and people generally just chill when they're cooking and have fun. So, but it's fantastic to meet the people that read our news.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Genevieve. We won a competition in the Citizen newspaper. We're busy cooking grilled fish with tomato, baby marrows, olives and capers.
We've enjoyed the experience every minute of the day. We looked forward to this for the whole day.
Hello everyone, my name is Simon. I'm a proud winner of the Citizen Vitality Health Cook-Off, and it's going fantastic. I'm a print reader. I've got both access to digital and print. I'm an avid newspaper reader. I love my newspapers, The Citizen, and that's where I saw the competition. I just sent one SMS and I got a surprise that I'm here with my sister. Here we're cooking off the most amazing salad, the corn, red pepper, red onion salsa salad. The chef Michael was here showing us some little tips, especially about cooking onions and red peppers, those that get to you. So Chef Michael did a fantastic job there, and thank you to The Citizen, thank you to the readers out there.